You may now proceed to the exit
of the Eastern Front Unit
and onto Crater Road. At the exit on your left is the Massachusetts Monument, dedicated to all of that state's troops which served at Petersburg.
From this point, you may choose to go to Grant's headquarters at City Point,
11 miles to the east in Hopewell,
or continue along the Western Front tour,
which is 21.5 miles long. Refer to your park map for directions. If you do not plan to go to the City Point unit, skip the following narrative and advance the tape
to the Western Front tour.
Should you plan to visit City Point first, turn right onto Crater Road and proceed 1 mile to Route 36, also known as Wythe Street. Turn right again and follow Route 36, which will eventually become Winston Churchill Drive, Route 156, inside the Hopewell city limits. When this road ends at Route 10 or Randolph Road, turn left and proceed through downtown Hopewell to Main Street. Turn right on Main Street, which immediately changes into Appomattox Street, and go to the end. Turn left on Cedar Lane and follow it to our City Point unit. Park in the designated lot on the left, please.
You will see the path leading to the Appomattox Plantation House,
the ancestral home of the Epps family. Start your tour here.
The Appomattox Plantation House,
built in 1763, was the home of Dr. Richard Epps at the time of the Civil War. It was on the grounds of his 2,375-acre plantation that General Grant set up his headquarters for the duration of the siege. Below the bluff of City Point and along the James River, the Federal forces built one of the largest logistical operations and supply bases of the war. Using the bed of the old City Point Railroad, the United States Military Railroad Construction Corps ran their own railroad line to Petersburg, which brought supplies directly to the men in the trenches. This material was unloaded daily at the half-mile-long wharf built by the Corps. Today, you can view a 15-minute video program about these operations in the house, then view the 2 finished rooms which contain original Epps family possessions. A tour of the grounds should include a visit to General Grant's headquarters cabin, built in November 1864, and to the various interpretive and audio stations located throughout the unit. A ranger is on duty in the house to answer any questions you may have. You may also wish to take a walking tour through the City Point Historic District and view some of the homes which made up the village during the Union occupation.